in this part 3. We'll get into the practical heart of research, data collection. This is the hands-on process of gathering the information you need to answer your research question. Data collection isn't just about handing out surveys. It's a structured process that involves using validated procedures, selecting the right sample, and, crucially, ensuring research ethics are followed, like getting approvals and informed consent from your participants. It's the blueprint for how you'll build your evidence. The data you use falls into 2 main categories. First, we have primary data. This is first-hand data that you collect yourself. It comes directly from the source through methods like surveys, interviews, experiments, or your own observations. It's fresh, new, and collected specifically for your research purpose. Second, we have secondary data. This is established data that already exists. You find it in existing literature, books, archival records, open source websites, or datasets from institutions. It's incredibly valuable because it saves you time and resources, allowing you to build upon what's already known. Okay, guys, now, how do you collect this data, especially primary data? In order to collect data, you must know what research instrument you use in your study. A research instrument is simply the tool you use to collect, measure, and analyze information. This can be a survey, a test, a questionnaire, a scale, or even an observation checklist. And here's a critical pro tip. To assure the strength of your study, it is always best to use previously validated instruments. A validated instrument is one that has been tested and proven to accurately measure what it claims to measure. Okay, now let's say you found a validated questionnaire from another study. How can you use it? You have 2 main options. The first is adopting the instrument. This means you use the tool almost exactly as it is, verbatim. This is a very strong approach because you are using a tool with a proven track record. The second is adapting the instrument. This means you significantly alter or modify the original tool to better fit your specific research context. Maybe you need to change the wording for a different culture or combine parts of 2 different scales. In case, if no existing instrument fits your unique needs, you can create a new one from scratch. But remember, if you go this route, you must then put in the work to test and validate your new instrument yourself, which can be a complex process. Another one thing I would like to cover in data collection is the procedure or SOP you use to collect the data. For example, you may include data collection process that may start from preparing your ethical documents like approval letter for conducting your research from institution, consent form, participant information sheets. Then, you may also explain how you obtained the information or reach or participants and so on.